Hey guys, welcome to Cook Your Heart Out. Today we are in the kitchen and we are using the Sunbeam Sear and Slow Cook for something a little less conventional. It's fantastic for ragouts and casseroles and so many other things, but today we are doing some slow cooked cinnamon buns and they are absolutely delicious. Let's get started. Hit pause now and take a screenshot to save all your ingredients for the dough, the cinnamon filling and the icing. You will need a cooling rack, a chef's knife, measuring jug, spoons and cups, a silicone mat and a rolling pin, stainless steel bowls, silicone spatulas and dough scrapers, a stand mixer, and finally a slow cooker. Start by adding the sugar and yeast to warm milk, giving it a stir and set aside for 5 minutes. To the stand mixer add the flour, sugar, salt, melted butter, 1 egg, and pour in the milk, sugar and yeast mixture. With the dough hook attachment, knead the mixture for 5 to 10 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic and starts to pull away from the bowl. To make the cinnamon filling, add to a bowl the butter, cinnamon and sugar, mixing until it is all combined. Sprinkle a small amount of flour to the silicone mat and start rolling the dough. Using the silicone mat as a guide, roll the dough into a rectangular shape. Using your silicone spatula, start to evenly spread the cinnamon filling on the dough, covering the entire area. Starting from the short end of the dough, begin to roll. A helpful tip is to use the silicone mat when rolling the scrolls. Once the dough has been rolled into one long scroll, give it a slight squeeze to ensure it doesn't unravel. Lay the dough in the center of the mat and divide into 12 equal cinnamon buns. Grease the base of the slow cooker with some butter, line with baking paper and place your cinnamon buns in the slow cooker, leaving enough room for them to expand while cooking. A helpful trick is to place a few sheets of paper towel underneath the lid to absorb condensation. Set your slow cooker to low heat setting and the timer to default 4 hours. Note that your cinnamon buns will be done after 2 hours. After the 2 hours have passed, transfer the buns to a cooling rack. Okay, so now all we need to do is make a glaze, a really simple glaze. Pour some milk into some icing sugar. And I like to add a little bit of orange zest to mine and some nice orange juice as well. Just gives it that nice little citrusy taste. And then mix it up, super easy. Okay, and now that's mixed in, we just drizzle it over. Okay, so nothing else to do except have a little try, I think. They are so good. The little bit of orange is so tasty. You could also add some apple to them or follow the recipe as it is on our website. I'll see you soon.